Compound microscopes are used to view a small samples that cannot be identified with the naked eye. These samples are typically placed on a slide under the microscope. When using a stereo microscope, there is more room under the microscope for larger samples such as rocks or flowers, and slides are not required. Structural components. The three basic structural components of a compound microscope are these: head, base, and arm. Head or body. Head or body houses the optical parts in the upper parts of the microscope. Second, the base. The base of a microscope supports the microscope and houses the illuminator. And lastly, the arm. The arm connects to the base and supports the microscope head. It is also used to carry the microscope. Stage. Stage is where the specimen to be viewed is placed. A mechanical stage is used when working at higher magnifications where delicate movements of the specimen slides are required. Stage clip. Stage clips are used when there is no mechanical stage. The viewer is required to move the slide manually to view different sections of the specimen. Here are the important compound microscope parts. First is the eyepiece or ocular. Eyepiece or ocular is what you look through at the top of the microscope. Typically, standard eyepieces have a magnifying power of 10 times. Optional eyepieces of varying powers are variable, typically from 10 times to 30 times. Objective lenses. Objective lenses are the primary optical lenses on a microscope. They range from 4 times to 100 times and typically include 3, 4, or 5 on lens on most microscopes. Objectives can be forwarded or rear-faced. Nosepiece houses the objectives. The objectives are exposed and are mounted on the rotating turret so that the different objectives can be conventionally selected. Standard objectives include 4 times, 10 times, 14 times, and 100 times, although different power objectives are available. Next is the eyepiece tube. The eyepiece tube holds the eyepieces in place above the objective lens. Binocular microscope heads typically incorporate a diopter adjustment ring that allows for the possible inconsistencies of the eyesight in one or both eyes. Lastly, condenser. Condenser is used to collect and focus the light from the illuminator on the top to the specimen. It is located under the stage, often in conjunction with an iris diaphragm. Aperture. Aperture is the hole in the stage through which the base transmitted light reaches the stage contrast. There are 2 places to adjust light level. First is illuminator. Illuminator is the light source of a microscope, typically located in the base of a microscope. Most light microscopes use low voltage halogen bulbs with continuous variable lighting control located within the base. And the second one is the iris diaphragm. Iris diaphragm controls the amount of light reaching the specimen. It is located above the condenser and below the stage. Most high-quality microscope.